Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Literature. So today's topic is periodical history and writer's work. So let's begin the video. Periodical history and writer's work. So first, the Old English period or the Anglo-Saxon period from 1450 to 1066. And the remarkable poem of this age, Beowulf, the Wanderer, the Seafarer, the Wife's Complaint, the Lover's Message, Deor's Lament, and the Rune. These are the remarkable poem of this Old English period. So second one, the Middle English period. The Middle English period is begin from 1066 to 1500. So first important writer of this age is John Wycliffe from 1324 to 1384. He is also known as father of English prose. Work, translation of the Bible. So next writer is Geoffrey Chaucer. He is also known as a prominent writer of this age and father of English poetry. His work is prologue. His famous work is Prologue to Canterbury Tales. Third, William Langland, 1332, and his rest of the date of ending is not declared. Work, Piers the Plowman. Fourth one, Thomas Malory, 1405 to 1471. His work is Morte d'Arthur. So third period is the Renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth, or we can also said is the revival of learning from 1500 to 1660. First writer of this age is Edmund Spenser from 1552 to 1599. He is also called as the poet of the poets. His work is The Faerie Queene. Second, the Norton Sackville, 1536 to 1608. He is also known as the father of tragedy. His first tragedy is Gorboduc. So, the next one of the next writer of this age is Sir Philip Sidney from 1554 to 1586. His work is an apology for poetries. Fourth, John Milton from 1608 to 1674. His work is Paradise Lost and Samson Agonist. Fifth one, Shakespeare from 1664 to 1660. He is also known as father of drama and his work is Hamlet. So next is Francis Bacon from 1561 to 1626. His work, he is also known as father of essay, and his famous work is Essays. Next one is Ben Jonson, 1573 to 1637. He is also called a neoclassicist. His work is Every Man in His Humour. So the next period is the fourth one, the neoclassical period from 1660 to 1785. First writer of this age is Alexander Pope, 1688 to 1744. His work is The Rape of the Lock. Next, William Congreve, 1670 to 1729. His work is The Way of the World. Next, Jonathan Swift, 1667 to 1745. His work is Gulliver's Travel. Next, Henry Fielding, 1707 to 1754. His work is Tom Jones. Next writer of this age is William Blake from 1757 to 1827. His work is Song of Innocence and Songs of Experience. Next is Dark Age from 1785 to 1798. In this age, not any remarkable poet. So next one, 6. The Romantic period from 1798 to 1832. His first writer of this age is William Wordsworth from 1770 to 1850. His work is lyrical ballads. Next, Samuel Taylor Coleridge from 1772 to 1834. His work is Biographia Literaria and The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. Next, T.V. Selig from 1792 to 1822. His work is Adonis. Fourth, Keats 1795 to 1821. His work is Ode and Other Poems. Fifth, Lord Byron from 1788 to 1824. His work is Don Juan. Okay. So next one is the Victorian period from 1832 to 1901. First, Lord Tennyson, Alfred Lord Tennyson, 1809 to 1892. His work is The Lotus Eaters. Next, Robert Browning, 1812 to 1889. His work is Man and Woman. Matthew Arnold, 1822 to 1888. His work is Essays on Criticism. Fourth one, Charles Dickens, 1812 to 1870. His work is David Copperfield and A Tale of Two Cities. Fifth one is Karl Marx, 1818 to 1883. His work is Das Kapital. So the next period is the modern period from 1901 to 1939 and the postmodern period from 1939 to still. So the first one, Thomas Hardy from 1840 to 1928. His work is In Time of the Breaking of Nation, poetry. Next one is G.B. Shaw, George Bernard Shaw from 1856 to 1950. His work is Man and Superman. Next, W.B. Yeats from 1865 to 1939. His work is The Cat and the Moon. Next, T.S. Eliot, 1888 to 1965. His work is The West End. And the last one is the Somerset Maugham, 1874 to 1965, and his work is Cake and Ale. So in this video I just give you some overview of the periods and some prominent writer and their work. If you find my video is useful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.